let's go over editing. So we're going to start with blogs. Actually, we'll start with a social post. You've got various ways of editing. If you just want to change a word, you can click edit there, and just say something along the lines of memory wrapped in wool. Feel seen. Let's change that one word to um, a moment when you felt truly cared for, and we save that. So, like I said, because I haven't connected any of the social accounts yet, all of these are blacked out. But once I've connected them, you can post now. You can also post now. And the other way of editing is using the AI editor, which I will open up now. Right. So I'm going to say for this one, you can chat, you can ask anything you like, you can change anything, you can change just the one post, or you can change multiple posts. But just for this one, I'm going to say, can you make this post longer and add some hashtags? Let's have a look. If at any time it does something and it hasn't actually updated it, so like that, it said it's done, it's got a longer caption, it's refresh the page. Let's have a look at that Tuesday's post. All right, here we go now. So that is quite a fair bit longer and it's got all those hashtags we asked for. So that's kind of how it works. When it comes to blogs, in order to read the full blog, you have to click on it, because we basically discovered that if you wrote the whole blog out, the content timeline got way too long. And so we just do a recap of it here. You can click edit, and that brings it up here. So you can choose it. You can use any of these tools that you want to make it longer, brainstorm ideas. And you can even, at the bottom here, you can click on the blog details, and that shows all of the blog metadata. So the meta description, the outline, and then that's the social post. So we're going to close all that up, because I want to show you that you can also use the AI editor here. And if you click on the AI editor, then you can ask it to change something, but that all looks fine. The associated blog post, you can change the date for the blog or the time going out very easily with this. Clicking on the date there pops this little calendar open, and you can also change the time of it. So I'm going to say that one's going to go out at 8 o'clock. Right, so the next thing is how you change the images. So say you've got a post and it doesn't quite fit your branding. At the moment, we have to rely on an image bank for our free images, and that's a source. It's called Pexels, and it's a source of royalty-free images. And so our AI assistant will read the post, and it will pick out keywords. It will then search within the image bank for keywords that match the post, and it will select the best image. So I will show you a little bit here. So you click on any photo, and in this search bar, you can see what it's searched for. And these are other images that have come up with the same search term. But I'm going to see if we can, in the copy here, it says curled up with a favorite book. So I'm going to say cozy book, and then search. And so that then you can search again and again until you find the better images. I'm just going to select that one for now. You just drag it over and it replaces it there. You can also add your own images, which you just click on here and it searches for them within your computer. or you can drag them over. These are ones that that have automatically been inputted from when I added the marketing assets. I don't know if you remember when I put the URL in and selected these images to be dragged in. So I could also switch them with my own, drag that over. And the same with videos. If I wanted a video instead of an image, let me just see if I've got one that I can, if I just pop that in instead. So instead of having an image there, I can put my little video in there. So that's how you edit blog posts, but you can also, I'm going to get rid of this now, you can also use the AI editor to edit anything else. You can say that you want different things on Mondays, or you want to add Sunday posts, or whatever you want, or it's all wrong, do it again. I mean, you can edit as much as you like, and we're done. So once it's all connected, it will auto post. It will connect to your website and auto post your blog. It will post to all your social channels. You can come at any point and see when it's sent, because it comes up here saying that it's already posted. If there's an issue with any of the accounts, a couple of times in the past year, LinkedIn have sort of updated something and we've needed to reconnect. So you can see here where it's posted to and where it hasn't, if there's any issues. And yeah, that's it. And then every month, that's all you have to do to create new content. You can, of course, change your onboarding docs at any time. You can add more marketing assets, and you can change your posting schedule. But that is how quick and simply you can come up with a whole month of content using Inkie.